Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog. Today I am working on my wallflower sweater and I'd like to show you how to make these smocked or tied stitches that are used here at the center panel of the sweater. Smocking is a simple technique that's often paired with ribbing. A group of stitches are gathered together by wrapping the yarn around the group to create a decorative gathered effect. The smocking in this sweater transforms a really simple purl 2, knit through the back loop, purl 2, knit through the back loop, purl 2, knit through the back loop pattern into something that looks a whole lot more complicated and dramatic, but it's deceptively easy to knit. All you're going to need is a cable needle or a double pointed needle or even a simple tapestry needle. Let's get started. I have been working across the center panel of my sweater, and again, you can see here that the pattern is primarily just purl 2, knit through the back loop, purl 2, knit through the back loop, purl 2, knit through the back loop, and so on. And these next 4 stitches are the ones that I want to smock or tie together. Before I do that, the first thing I'm going to do is actually work those 4 stitches. So I'm going to knit through the back loop, purl 2, and then knit through the back loop. And before I can tie those stitches, this is where I need to transfer them onto a cable needle, or I'm just going to use a tapestry needle because it's the shortest and easiest to manage here on camera. So we're just going to transfer those 4 stitches from right to left without twisting them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now it's time to wrap those 4 stitches. And right now my working yarn is at the back, and I want to wrap my stitches counterclockwise. So I'm going to bring the yarn forward, around the stitches, counterclockwise, once, and then I'm going to pull the yarn and tighten things up just to gather those stitches together. And I want them gathered, but I don't need to strangle the stitches. I'm not going to yank super hard. I'm just bringing them a little bit closer together. And then I'm going to wrap one more time counterclockwise. And I'm going to end with my yarn in front because my next stitch is a purl, so I'm all set up and ready to go. And again, if you need to, you can tighten things up a little bit. And finally, we can transfer those 4 stitches back onto the right needle. And again, you're just transferring them without twisting them at all. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now that they're transferred back, I can go ahead and continue knitting in my pattern. One really important thing to remember as you get to those smocked or tied stitches on your next row or round of knitting, the stitches are going to be close together because you've gathered them and tied them. So it may be a little bit tricky to work those stitches so that you don't catch them on each other and work them together. So it's helpful just to maybe use your fingernail to kind of separate the stitches out as you're working them, just so that you don't accidentally work them together on the next row. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make smocked or tied stitches. Until we stitch again, happy knitting!